Hey there, and welcome to this no-nonsense guide on how to achieve millionaire status through 5 simple financial goals. No fancy suits, no money, just straightforward advice that anyone can follow. In this video, we'll break down the steps you need to take, from creating a budget to planning for retirement. Stick with us, and we'll guide you through it all. Ready? Let's get started. Create a budget. It's like your financial roadmap. Start by listing all your income sources, like your salary or any side hustle money. Then, jot down your monthly expenses, rent, groceries, bills, and don't forget those occasional splurges. Subtract your expenses from your income, and what's left is your savings. But here's the kicker. You've got to stick to that budget religiously. Track your spending and cut out those unnecessary expenses. This budget will keep you on the right financial track. Save and invest wisely. Saving means putting money aside regularly. It's like paying yourself first. Start small if you need to, but make it a habit. Then consider investing. That's where your money can grow over time. Learn about different investment options like stocks or real estate. Increase income. Increase your income. Sometimes, making more money is the key to hitting that millionaire goal. Look for opportunities to boost your earnings. It could be asking for a raise, starting a side gig, or learning new skills to level up in your career. The more income streams you have, the better. Manage debt. My advice for you guys is that do not ever take debts. This can harm your money easily or could be the reason to stopping you from becoming a millionaire. Plan for retirement. It might seem far away, but it's never too early to start. Contribute to retirement accounts like an IRA. It's like giving your future self a financial gift. Remember, work hard and retire early so you can enjoy the rest of your life. The magic here is time. The sooner you start, the more your money can grow. So don't wait. Your millionaire status will thank you later. And there you have it. 5 simple financial goals to pave your way to millionaire status. Stick to these, stay disciplined, and you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial dreams.